The hidden toxin in your food. Worse than sugar and seed oils. Did you know there's a toxic chemical hiding in your food that's even worse than sugar, seed oils, and processed starches? It's a classified carcinogen and neurotoxin, and can even harm reproductive health. And the scariest part? It's not on food labels because it's not an added ingredient it forms while cooking. What is this hidden toxin? It's called acrylamide, and it's created when certain foods, especially those high in refined sugars like glucose, maltodextrin, or dextrose, are cooked at high temperatures. The process, known as the Maillard reaction, happens when the amino acid asparagine reacts with these sugars, forming acrylamide. Foods high in acrylamide: potato chips and French fries, crackers, cookies and cereals, baked goods and bread crust, roasted coffee. But here's the real danger: acrylamide can break down into glycinamide, an even more toxic compound linked to a higher risk of cancer, with cancer being one of the leading causes of death. This is something we can't ignore. How to protect yourself: cook with saturated fats like tallow, coconut oil, or butter. These help prevent acrylamide formation. Ditch refined sugars and choose natural alternatives like honey or cane sugar. Use lower temperatures when cooking. Slow cooking helps reduce acrylamide levels. Eat foods that fight toxins: cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, garlic, citrus, green tea, and spirulina help counteract acrylamide's effects. Go for dark roasted coffee instead of light roasted. Espresso and dark roasts have significantly less acrylamide. The good news? Simple changes can help you reduce exposure and lower health risks. Want more tips on hidden food dangers and how to stay healthy? Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.